been excellent so far. A lot of counseling, a lot of checking, and a lot of looking at my eyes and stuff. And that was long before today.
They explained it step by step, gave me all the information I needed. They told me about the different lenses, the different ways of doing the operation. So I was very informed.
They made you feel very relaxing because you especially don't know what you're fixing to get into. And this is very good. I'm very pleased so far.
Their upbeat attitude, they keep it upbeat. They were very good. Being able to see and have no trouble driving at night.
To be able to see better. Very pleased so far.
Depends on your health and what your lifestyle is and what you expect. I definitely recommend it.
There's nothing to it. Just go do it.